No points for guessing where I'm coming to you live from. You can see the Indian fans live from. I'm gonna talk to you guys. Okay, come on, let's start with the youngster first.
Alright.
Best part of the match for you?
Hardik's 50.
Hardik's 50.
Yeah.
Bumrah?
What a bowler. What a bowler. Yeah, what a
bowler.
He's a killer.
Okay, I want to ask all of you, this doesn't happen in Indian cricket very often. You know, Indian team always has superstar batters, and if you win matches, it's always batting. This entire tournament, Indian bowlers. What do you
Yeah, bowling
I'll
has
ask you all.
Sure. The bowling has been too good. I mean, Bumrah and now Kuldeep also is bowling so well. Indian bowling is amazing. I think we can defend anything.
Hardik Pandya, and I wish Jadeja should be as an all-rounder performance, and he should be acting up on these things. This is his pitch actually.
Okay, come
You
this side.
cannot miss that.
Okay, go ahead.
Bumrah is undoubtedly world's best bowler, and so far if you look at all the games, and today also is 4 overs, 13 runs, 2 wickets. I think we never had any kind of a bowler, in India that we usually, feel proud that this is the bowler that we can back him, right? Always Australia and West Indies, Pakistan, but this time we have Bumrah!
I also think
Come this side. You'll have to come this side. Yeah.
I also think the pitches are conducive to Indian kind of bowling. We have 3 spinners, good all-rounders.
Yeah, valid
I think that's amazing. We are going in strong to the semi-finals, and we are going to win the cup here.
Okay, go ahead.
All three all-rounders that we have, Akshar, Jadeja and Hardik, they are in good form. Jadeja is getting into the rhythm now. It's going to be fun. Yeah, it's going to be easy.
But would you say that till now you've got easier opposition? You've not come up against a good team.
Monday we will test Australia and how they play with
The way we play against Pakistan, it was a very good fight. And the way we played against Afghanistan, it was very good fight. The way we lost wickets and we came back. And it was a good rhythm that the bowlers have. The captain is backing the bowlers, and it's all going to be good. Yeah.
Absolutely. Bumrah, as we all know, right, he's a champion.
Right.
What I think is on West Indian pitches, Kuldeep Yadav is going to be our trump card. Kuldeep Yadav is the trump card.
Okay. So bowler has done fantastic until now in the World Cup from the India. Now the batting coming up. If you see Dubey, he is coming in the form, and for the semi-final and final, our key 2 players, Kohli and Rohit, get ready. We get ready.
So you are saying they're saving their runs for semis and finals.
big games. And again, Australia, either Sharma or Kohli will do 50 and will win it amazingly.
Yes. What I feel is, that we are putting unnecessary pressure on Pant, because Pant is our hard hitter, and then our top batsmen fail. So they should score something so that Pant gets a chance to, really put us on the...
Okay, but yeah.
No, I just want to mention one thing, that if you see Bumrah live, it's a complete different experience. There's a night and day difference between Bumrah and like any other bowler. You can see the ball swinging, it's like amazing.
What he says is a very valid point. It's actually one thing seeing Bumrah on TV, as you guys see, but it's a completely different experience when you see Bumrah bowling live, because the kind of rise that his ball takes from pitching, that juice that there is in his bowling, you can clearly make out that there's daylight between Bumrah and everyone else. Sometimes I feel for the batter who's batting, whoever he is.
Last time also they scored 9 runs, and that also one of the between wicketkeeper and that. Otherwise it would have been 5 runs. Today also 13-1 boundary on the last over, that was unlucky. But Bumrah, I don't know. We used to say it. Kapil Dev and all, but Bumrah watching them live, it's like a pathetic weapon. Unbelievable.
We went to the India-Pakistan game live in New York. Bumrah, oh my goodness. That guy is something special. He is something else.
Public support him like anything, and he enjoys. He enjoys his more control.
is unparalleled.
He's definitely one in a generation. I don't think India has ever had one of those frontline attacking bowlers
This is the first time we have it, and I think he's doing a pretty good job at making us proud.
And he also did like a great job. He was out like for quite a long time.
Yeah.
You know, he was injured, but coming back this strong, you know, it actually is a lot of hard work that goes to him. You know,
Yeah.
he's put in that effort. And, you know, I just want to say his attacking or his attack at the end of the day complements Kuldeep. You saw it today, you know, that pressure in the initial first overs kind of gives Kuldeep that chance to pick up those wickets, because then, you know, it's very hard for them to score those runs.
You can see the fear in the eyes of the opposition when Bumrah is on. Nobody's trying to take him on. He's just like, they're playing defensive. They're nudging it here and there, and they're already on the back foot. So this gives us a tremendous opportunity to go make inroads, get some wickets.
Afghanistan tried and he got out the first
I think Akshardeep also compliments Bumrah.
yeah.
I mean, he is the opening bowler right now. So
Actually, he's gone under the radar, but he's picked up a lot of wickets.
really good.
top class, so that's why he's under the radar.
For any opposition, it's like a 16-over game, not a 20.
Okay, we're running out of time. Oh, that 16 over thing. I know that. Everyone's talking about that 16 over. That
don't forget
India is
fun.
cheating, because every other team, you know, India gets 20 over to bat, every other team gets only 16. Because Bumrah's 4 overs are done. You can't score, you only lose wickets. Okay, thank you guys. Completely out of time, but give one shout out to India. Okay, with that energy, the Indian juggernaut continues to roll on. Not just the Indian fans, the Indian teams as well. And they've been absolutely outstanding in the tournament so far, backed by these men in blue that have come to every game and filled up the stands. So all you can see is a sea of blue in the stands as well.
Come all the way from London and really enjoying it, but the travel and the arrangements I think can surely be improved in the future.
Okay. Okay. Honestly, India looking. I know I don't want to jinx it. It tends to happen. You qualify for the same, but they're looking like a tournament-winning team.
100%. Wow. Yeah. Well, but we don't want to say anything to jinx it. We're gonna keep our fingers crossed.
Anything.
One game at a time.
After November last year, I don't say anything until we've won it.
Good point.
Well, it's a funny sport. You see, South Africa is unbeaten, and they've had so many batting collapses. They collapsed against Netherlands. You know, they almost lost against Nepal as well. So you just got to stay consistent and keep delivering, right?
See, there was one concern about the Indian openers not doing well. Happy with the way they've contributed now? Rohit and Virat?
Rohit and Virat not doing well.
Yeah, I mean, of course they hadn't for this part of the tournament.
A bit out of form, but now, you know, it was a really good start. You know, Rohit first ball, he tonked it over mid-off. It was a great shot, and they were in good nick. And you could see Kohli hit a few sixes as well. So you can, you know, once they get their form back, they'll be unstoppable.
Wow. Yeah. No. Rohit and Kohli are they're legends. They're gonna kill it. I mean, there's no way.
Yeah. They'll be fine. They've been playing, and you know they go through rough patches and they bounce back. That's all they'll do.
There's always a Delhi Capitals legend, Rishabh Pant, coming in at number 3. So
Just keep a counter how many times he says Delhi Capitals legend.
Are you a Delhi Capitals fan?
I am a Delhi Capitals
That must be a heartbreak. It's not easy being a Delhi Capitals fan.
No, it's not. I mean, hopefully we get another legend coming in to coach, Ricky Ponting, but maybe not.
Oh, look at that. Why not? Today, the way the Indian team has done well. अच्छा, आप दोनों को problem था. Thank you. आप लोग दोनों पहले मैच से पहले I met you. आपने कहा थोड़ा सा डर लग रहा है, रोहित विराट रन नहीं कर रहे. अभी क्या?
आज रन सभी ने अच्छा खेला. सभी ने सही टाइम पे गेंदबाजी की. सही ने और कुलदीप ने भी अच्छी टाइम पे आया. वो उसको 3 विकेट मिल गया.
हाँ, अच्छा आप इधर आओ ना. आपको लगा था इंडियन टीम जो है, these guys travel across the globe watching cricket. They are hardcore Indian supporters. We are struggling to get tickets to venues, to different islands, and that's how tough it's been. But somehow or the other, these guys always manage, always supporting the Indian team. Achha,
we are going back to London today. We got the 6 o'clock flight. Abhi 6 o'clock flight hai. Then I think if we reach India final, anyhow we will come back. Even we go to America, we will come back here.
अरे
अमेरिका भी आएंगे, वापस आएंगे.
Wow, I love that absolute, love for their team, the enthusiasm that they have. So they are going to say that they are not getting tickets to go to now St. Lucia and Guyana, but they are going back to London, but they are coming back.
For the final, yeah.
For the finals, they're coming back. Acha, today to the Indian team did well. Aapko bhi tha issue, Virat, Rohit, will they score runs or not? Did you like their approach, jaisa wo batting kar rahe?
Yes, Virat approach. पहले बॉल पे विराट देखो, रोहित शर्मा देखो, they batted really well today. सूर्य भाव के रन नहीं आए, but then middle orders they batted well. Pandya 50 runs, 26-27 balls. I think that's amazing. Everybody scored. Rishabh Pant scored. Everybody got 30 pluses. So that was plus point.
अच्छा, you guys are originally from Gujarat, मुझे पता है ना. तो भाई गुजरात के तो सब अक्षर पटेल, हार्दिक पांड्या, जसप्रीत बुमराह सब एकदम टॉप नॉच चल रहे हैं इस वक्त.
3 ऑलराउंडर है. We've given you 3 good all-rounders and 1 good fast bowlers.
और क्या चाहिए?
Half a team is Gujarat.
और नहीं, it's not about half the team. They're all in form also.
Yeah, very good. Everybody is in form as well. अभी दुबे देखो, फॉर्म में नहीं है, आज फॉर्म में आ गया, वापस आ गया.
अच्छा, अब दुबे का टेंशन भी खत्म है?
अभी खत्म लग रहा है कि अभी टेंशन नहीं है. पहले उसका थोड़ा प्रेशर में था. नहीं ये उसके बाजी दी थी, उसका रन नहीं आया, लेकिन अभी वापस आ गया है. He's come back.
As long as he's playing more and more games, he's getting his confidence back and he'll come back again.
Okay, thank you guys for joining me. As always, I'll give this special hat that they make. But oh, you're live right now. What do you make of the game? Yeah.
Oh, I thought the game was a gone case in the first 10 overs actually. So when India scored almost 80 runs in the first 10 overs, I thought anything north of 150, Bangladesh cannot chase.
Quite often it's the Indian batters that are superstars, and whenever India does well, the Indian batters have to fire. Do you see a difference in this tournament? Because even if you get like par totals, the kind of bowling performances you're seeing from a Bumrah, a Kuldeep, a Hardik Pandya, it just, as an Indian fan, puts you at ease with this bowling?
Not only does it put me at ease with this bowling, I think the Indian bowling is for the first time better than the Indian batting.
Wow.
I'm actually leaning towards giving bowling more of a credit. I mean, look at the game today. I mean, they just played out Kuldeep Yadav. They just played out Jasprit Bumrah. That's 8 overs. So you're basically playing with 12 overs to chase a target of 190. Nobody's going to win. Obviously, this is still Bangladesh, not Australia.
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens on Monday. And if the Indian bowling lineup keeps Australia under 160 or even 170 or 180, I think the batting will take it through.
The form that the Indian team is showing at the moment, even Australia better watch out, right?
Yes, but look, I mean,
But you're nervous of no.
Oh, without a doubt. I think
19th November.
Yeah. No, without a doubt, I think the finals is going to be India versus Australia. Australia may even beat us on Monday, which is fine. But we have to play to our strengths. I mean, spin bowling.
Actually, you know what I'll say? That it's okay if they beat you on Monday, because usually what happens, you beat them in the league stage and then in the knockout there's an issue. But this time around, it's okay if they beat in the league stage, so long as we can win the crucial final.
Yeah, so sometime in October last year, I was in Chennai for the India-Australia game. India was down 3 wickets for 2 runs. And India ended up winning, and obviously we celebrated.
Right.
But I had this foreboding that when you beat Australia in the initial stages, they learn from it and they come back. And that's exactly what they did. But I would hope that we continue to learn from our mistakes and beat Australia this time.
Okay, I love that comment that this gentleman makes. Where are you traveling from?
Well, we are all from Los Angeles. We are a group of 12.
Wow.
And we've been following the Indian national team for pretty much every World Cup from 2007.
Okay, lovely chatting with you. There is a Virat Kohli fan. Are you happy we met him before the game? Are you happy?
I am so happy. India played so well. Hardik Pandya was so good. Now India is almost through to the semi-finals. 2 more, we are going to St. Lucia for the Australia game.
Why are you saying almost through? They're through, no?
Well, if Afghanistan beats both Australia and
But in the form that this Indian team is showing, forget semi-final. Come in. Forget semi-final. They are looking like a finals team. Come. Let's get some energy. Come.
Definitely looking like a finals.
Come in this side. Yeah.
Come. They're definitely looking like a finals team, but we haven't had a challenging match yet. Like Australia, England, West Indies, South Africa. These are the main competitions. India!
Was it? Did you guys have a good time, or you thought it was like a one-sided?
Awesome! One-sided. Bangladesh is a good team. We love Bangladesh.
but India won!
Say they like
Catches बहुत अच्छे लिए हमने. Catches were awesome. Yeah.
What else?
people say that one-sided games are good, but I don't care. We won easily. That's awesome.
Yes, so long as you're winning. Yeah, go ahead.
Totally worth it. Totally worth it.
Have you, with the way this Indian team is playing, have you guys got your finals ticket? Because looks like they'll make the final.
I know, we'd love to. We'd love to. Give it to us.
I can get you match tickets, so long as you can manage flight tickets.
That's an impossible task. To get the flight tickets is impossible. We have to swim and go.
Jayenge. India needs us. India needs us.
Acha, who was your star performer today?
Hardik.
Oh, what about Jasprit Bumrah? Yeah?
He's always a star.
So you didn't
even have to mention him.
He's the North
We have
Star.
taken him for granted every match.
Come, so that we can see you also.
And Kuldeep Yadav too. He played really well. He put pressure in the middle overs. Yeah.
So
The whole team played like a unit.
Jasprit Bumrah has become so good that they're saying you don't even have to take his name because it's a given. Every game Jasprit to karega.
North Star. हमारे North Star है. North Star.
He is boom boom Bumrah for a reason.
Yeah, North Star, constant. I love that analogy that you've got for Jasprit Bumrah. Anything that you think India has to slightly tweak or get better because tougher oppositions away?
I think Jaiswal should come in. He's a match winner. Kohli can move one down. And I think Dubey can rest.
Okay.
I agree with him. I think the top.
See everyone agree.
No, I agree with him.
I think the top order.
I think Rohit can rest too, actually.
How can you rest the captain?
Yeah, I think it's time for him to take a little bit of rest and give the youngsters more chance.
Sorry, Rohit.
That will give rest to him in next World Cup. He's a match winner. Yeah, he'll do wonders.
Okay.
Jadeja, instead of Jadeja, if you can get in Samson down the order, with the 5 bowlers, Akshar almost gives you the same thing as Jadeja, with the batting depth added as Samson. Jadeja looks out of form with the bat completely.
Okay, interesting. Yeah, you were saying something.
No, I was just gonna say that I think we need to improve our top order batting.
That's true.
That
been a
people
weak
are getting
point.
to 30s, but then they're giving their wicket away.
But you know, that's the way the Indian team now says T20 cricket is played. That, you know, no more 60s, 70s. Everyone gets a 30. What matters is not individual scores. What matters is what the team puts. And every game now, they're putting in 190. Does it matter?
What's happening is that the bowlers have been so strong that they've been shielding weak top order batting. But with a
Why don't you come this side? Then you will come in. You're not coming. Yeah.
but with a team like Australia, we need to fire on all cylinders.
Absolutely.
So yeah.
All cylinders.
I like the way India is playing actually. 30s are better than 60s at a slow strike rate. We are still getting 180, 190 every time. This pitch is not easy. I think this is the right way to
As
go.
long as 30s remain 30s and not becomes 5s and 6s, then that might happen against Australia.
But
I
what?
think Australia would be a real test now.
Okay.
So we have to fire in on the top order also.
All right. Yeah, tougher tests await the Indian team. But thank you.
It's been recently India versus Australia. You have seen all the ICC tournaments. We have to fire, and we need like same set of energy, same set of fans. We are always rooting for.
Show me the energy then.
It was nice meeting you.
We'll wait for the tickets.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. Yes, we will be traveling. Yeah, I have a young fan. I'll have to lift you up because you know you're not going to come in. What's your name?
Agastya.
Agastya, where have you come from?
Delhi.
Agastya has come all the way from Delhi to be watching this game. What did you enjoy today? What was your favorite part?
India won.
India won. That was his favorite part. Worth it? Coming all the way from Delhi, you guys came?
Absolutely, every bit of it. We've loved the atmosphere here in the West Indies. It's like just another ball game.
Okay, so I'm guessing the experience he had today going to be a future cricketer, huh? This is where the love for the sport starts.
Met Kohli, right? And he's so excited about it. He even told him that I would be like you one day.
Wow.
Yes.
Future Kohlis, huh? So that's how future Kohlis come when they watch live matches and the performances. Okay, clinical by India, huh?
Absolutely. We traveled all the way from like the northwest of United States, Seattle.
Right.
We have been here in Antigua for a few days now, and we loved every bit of it. Like I was just hope that there was no rain today, so it was complete weather. In terms of clinical, absolutely. Like initially when wickets fell down, I was like a bit nervous.
Okay.
And then
the entire batting unit contributed like 5 players like contributed like 30 plus runs.
Yeah.
And I was hoping like 160, 170 is a good score, but once we exceeded 190 plus, it was like just we knew what the result was going to be.
I spoke to you before the game. You had your analysis.
Right before the game that you asked
contest.
You asked me about Bangladesh upsetting India again. I told you that was once in a lifetime for most people. I told you Bumrah would again be like 15 runs, 3 wickets. He only took 2. So next time he has to take 4 now against Australia, which is easy for him.
Okay.
So that's what we are looking for now.
Since you got all your predictions right, quickly tell me what's happening in St. Lucia. I can place my bet. India, Australia, what will happen?
Thank you.
Obviously, India is going to win. Bumrah probably again 20 run
wickets for
3-4
sure.
wickets, 20 run stops,
And we have to beat them because we have to take that revenge from them. What they beat us for the World Cup. World Cup, yes, for sure.
But this tends to happen that we do very well in the group stages. It's the crucial games that we come short. You think that's going to change this time?
It is going to change for sure because the pitch over here in the West Indies is completely different than to India. So for sure we're going to beat Australia.
What do you?
Mistakes. We learn from mistakes. We're going to win this time for sure.
Why do you think things are different this time?
So one, like tactically, I think Australia match, obviously we have to win. We are going to win, but it doesn't matter because I think India's qualified for semis now.
Almost.
Things can happen, but like with the net run rate, I think we are through. I think everyone will have fun. We'll have fun. Players will have fun. I think they'll be a little more relaxed against Australians now. So yeah.
India is a much stronger team right now.
I was going to ask you, what's changed?
Oh, India has a very nice batting lineup. It's a very stronger team right now, and we really are very positive and looking forward to see them in finals. And we all are going all the way to Barbados. We are all booked to go to Barbados. We are Indians from West Indies. And going to just go ahead with India all the way. All the way to Barbados. Yes.
All the best.